my channel. Y'all know who it is. It's the Glam Princess. And today, y'all, we are going to make a beautiful, quick DIY. We are going to make this DIY very quick because my husband's birthday is today. And I'm going to go and visit his grave and probably let off some balloons. It's also my daughter-in-law's birthday. She is an amazing person, and we are going to try to go celebrate or do something. I'm hoping this day be uplifting and, you know, it gets better. But anyway, y'all, what we're going to do is take this vase here. We are going to glam this vase up, and we're going to use our mirror tile, this vase, some glue sticks, glue gun, and some scissors. Okay, so all we're going to do is take, I know this is gold, and I found this at the thrift store, and I think I paid $2 for it. So all we're going to do is take the backing off of our tile, and we're going to just go around the vase with the mirror tile. So this is how the vase is looking, and we're going to go ahead and move on with our second DIY. Okay, Glam fam, so this is our second DIY. We're just going to use this vase and these vase fillers that I got from at home store like last Christmas. So all we're going to do is take the vase and we're going to glue some glue on the vase, and then we're going to apply our gems. So this is how this vase is looking. I think it is so different and it's so cute. So I'm gonna like put a little light in it and some of these little beaded stems or whatever that I did. So I'm gonna do that and see how it looks. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how the vase turned out. Y'all, I think it is absolutely gorgeous. It looks so pretty. This will make a great centerpiece for your, kitchen table or your dining table or whatever. Okay, y'all, so let's look at the second DIY. Hey, Glam fam, so this is the second vase. And this vase, I added a little light to it. Let's look at it in the dark. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and it doesn't even give off what it is giving me with, like being here looking at the vase and everything, but it is gorgeous, y'all. And I also used these little beaded, there was some iridescent beads for like a little girl's hair. So I used these. I got these from the beauty supply, and then I took some stems and just put the beads on there. They were iridescent, so I thought that they would go. But anyway, I hope you all like what you see. And if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Y'all have a blessed day.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this, oh God? Why you let me find it like this, oh God?